Speak English Confidently Beginner's Lesson. 2. Introduction. Hey there, welcome back. In the last lesson, we talked about how to start speaking English fluently. Today, we're going to take it a step further. If you want to improve your English, focus on 3 things. Practice, speaking daily, think in English, listen and imitate. In this lesson, we'll practice real conversations, learn useful phrases, improve pronunciation, and work on fluency. All right, let's go. Part 1. Expanding your conversations. Now that you know how to introduce yourself, let's make your conversations longer. When someone asks you a question, don't just give a short answer. Add details. Example 1. Asking about work. Short answer, I'm a teacher. Better answer, I'm a teacher. I work at a primary school, and I love helping students learn new things. Now it's your turn. What do you do? Example 2. Talking about hobbies. Short answer, I like music. Better answer, I like music, especially jazz and rock. I play the guitar in my free time. Now, tell me about your hobbies with more details. Example 3. Discussing travel. Short answer, I want to visit France. Better answer, I want to visit France because I love the culture and food. I also want to see the Eiffel Tower. Now, answer this question. Where do you want to travel? The more details you add, the more natural your conversations will sound. Part 2. Asking follow-up questions to keep a conversation going. Ask follow-up questions. For example, Person A, I work as a nurse. Person B, oh, that's interesting. Where do you work? Let's practice. I'll say a sentence and you ask me a follow-up question. I love playing soccer. I just came back from a vacation. Great job. Asking follow-up questions makes you a better conversationalist. Part 3. Talking about your day. Being able to describe your day in English is a great way to practice speaking. Morning routine. I wake up at 7 a.m., I brush my teeth and get ready for work. I have breakfast at home. Now, tell me 3 things you do in the morning. Afternoon routine. I go to work at 9 a.m. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I finish work at 5 p.m. Now, describe your afternoon. Evening routine. I relax at home and watch TV. I have dinner with my family. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Now, tell me about your evening routine. Great! Talking about your day helps you build fluency. Part 4. Pronunciation. Practice. Common mistakes. Now, let's focus on pronunciation. 1. The TH sound place. Your tongue between your teeth and blow air out. Repeat after me. Think, thank you. 30. 2. The R and L sound. Listen closely. Repeat after me. Right versus light. Road V's. Load. Read versus led well. Done. Good pronunciation makes your English clear and natural. Part 5. Mini conversation practice. Now, let's practice answering questions in full sentences. What do you like to do on weekends? What's your favorite food? Where are you from? Who is your best friend? Why do you want to learn English? Speaking out loud makes you more confident and fluent. Great job today! You learned how to make longer conversations, ask follow-up questions, talk about your daily routine, improve pronunciation, practice every day, even for 10 minutes. Subscribe to this channel for more lessons, and I'll see you in the next video.